Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your name pronunciation in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, our teammates and some tips. From here, we just have to go into the top right corner and tap on the person icon. Then we tap on View Profile, then on Edit Profile, and here at the bottom we find the name pronunciation. If we tap on this, we can just type in how our name is pronounced. So, for example, in a meeting, people don't mess it up. It's not going to be weird. And after we are done with this, we just tap on Save in the top right corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.